Today I'll show you how to transform a no idea moment into a published design across 3 platforms in just 1 hour and 11 minutes. Don't worry, I've edited the video to make it shorter. I know the exact time because I've got the full length of the 2 videos I recorded. It's actually shorter than that since I didn't pause my screen recorder when I went to make coffee. To keep it interesting, I've used only beginner and budget-friendly tools: the free MerchArts website, the paid version of ChatGPT 4, a free image upscale software, and Canva's paid version. As you can see, no prior knowledge base is needed. So, let's get started. This is the no idea moment. From here, head over to mercharts.com, click on the Niches menu item, and pick any niche. I chose ant, then go to the sloganizer and choose 2-word input. The first word is ant, and the second, let's say power. Hit the Sloganize button. There are plenty of slogans to choose from. Many don't make sense, but we should find something to work with. No aunt, no power. My aunt, my power. I aunt power. Here's one. I run on aunt and power. If we remove and, it becomes I run on aunt power, which could be interesting. Copy it and paste it into ChatGPT's Wit Bites merch designer. Just the slogan, then hit the generate button. Oops, I forgot to remove the and from the slogan. Okay, let's see what it generates. Wow, it looks good. The text is not a problem. Since it's separate from the design, editing it will be simple. And I love that it generated an Asian woman. It inspired me to create this design for different ethnicities. This way, over time, I'll find out who buys more in the aunt niche, and maybe get an idea of who to focus on more. So I write I like it to get the listings. Oops, again I forgot to remove the and from the slogan. We'll do it when the design is ready, right before publishing. From the no idea moment to design to work with took just 4 minutes. I think that's a good score. The first thing to do is upscale. I use the free upscale software for this, and you'll find the link to a video about this software in the description. One of the viewers pointed out that in that video, I didn't show the difference between the original image and the upscaled one, so here you can see it. Next, create a new design in Canva. With their easy-to-use tools, remove the background, remove the text, and add new text. If you're not familiar with fancy design software, Canva is perfect for such tasks. It's both beginner and budget-friendly. And here's the result. I like it. Here, I asked ChatGPT to rewrite the listings according to the new slogan. The only thing left is to publish it on different platforms. In my case, those are Amazon Merch on Demand, RedBubble, and TeePublic. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.